Welcome to the Blind Date Plug, Mzansi and Eswatini, where a bachelor or a bachelorette goes on a blind date with three strangers. The three strangers will then compete to be the one chosen by that bachelor or bachelorette at the end. Now, let's get to the show.
Nginenekazi Shongwe.
Shongwe?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shongwe.
That's my name.
Siwa Shongwe kuthiwa mina Mtimani.
Yeah, Shongwe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nginenekazi. Ngifakelo wasimelana.
Simelane umgonara.
Ngasebhunya ukutala kwami.
Okay.
But-ke ngihlala kade esinengala kubotshaneni ngihlungu. Noma corridors langalapho. Kusekhaya ngala. Wena nguphi ekhaya?
Ngikhulele khawamake Fairview. But-ke ngihlala eMpangweni. Yingoba
Ekhaya Sembangweni.
No, ekhaya Fairview.
Okay.
But then ngihlala eMpangweni.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Uh-huh.
Bengingabuza nje ukuthi okay. You finally choose to come here. Like dating. Yini nje ama-motive akho okuqala?
Why did I do it?
Ngibuza uthi kahle. Are you here for i-relationship kanjani? Uthi ufuna i-serious relationship noma nje we are just here for the fun of being here?
It's definitely not about fun. But yeah. At the same time, angenze ngisho ukuthi ngifuna i-relationship le-serious because angeke ngithi ngidelect ukufuna i-relationship le-serious because qala kancane sibambane and then kuye ngekuya-ke ukuthi okay siyafika la. But it's not for fun. It's not for fun. You know why are you here?
I would say gaming is for finding love, angisho njalo.
Okay.
In a different way. Ngiyathi ukuthi kujwayelekile vele ukuthi intombi sithi soma le la soma khona ngendlela ukuthi sihlukene. But coming here ngicabanga ukuthi lokuta kwami la ku different ngendlela yokuthi nami ngite kubantu nabo la bafuna i-relationship tsite noma ngabe leyo relationship nesiyifuna ngento eyafana njengoba usho ukuthi ngicala kancane imbani. Just the opportunity nje. Le avele ngalehlobo ukuthi cha simithane sibonana ukuthi uyayifuna relationship nami ngiyayifuna.
So
But in a different way ngithi obabili mhlawumbe. For me I would prefer mina ukuthi mina nje kimi I will take it for a serious relationship.
okay. No, I get you. Yini bakhethe kakhulu ukuthi angabe blind date.
It's not like being buhete. Yabona ama-relationship ngeke ngazi ukuthi bahethile mhlawumbe nami ngibahethile. Ngani ngalokuthi mhlawumbe we want different
Want
things.
different things, yeah.
Yende abangihethe mina bangihethe ngendlela ukuthi mina ngifuna i-relationship le-serious. Ngani mhlawumbe ngifuna kubantu laba there to mingle nje bazodlala. Understand that?
Yeah.
Then ke it's easy ukuthi mina ngisheshe mhlawumbe ngikhethe ngoba le speed sami lengiso is not with the same level sanalo muntu lenginayo yena is there for fun mina sengumcabangela lapha embili base kumcabangela khona kepha uthi ngakho iminyaka.
Do you really have to mention age? Really? Let's just say I'm old
Okay,
enough.
fine.
For
Okay,
now,
if you are not comfortable with
let's
that, it's
just say
okay.
I'm old enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngicabanga ukuthi kimi lokho nje ngichazelako.
Okay. No, I get you. So when would you tell me my age, like right now?
Tell your age. I can't right now just because of some mhlawumbe.
I mean your
If
age.
mina
Yeah.
my age. Asesingawu. Akusho mabo mnani ngale ukuthi nawa kwawusho.
Oh, even
Ngicabanga ukuthi in a relationship asesibeke eceleni i-age kwanyasha.
Okay.
Vele we are going to tell nangabe sasifika sikhathi sitshelane. Leyo ngifuna ukubuta nje mina ukubuta ukuthi wena growing up ukhule efamily le kanjani? just to get to know ukuthi ungaba ngumuntu lo kanjani. Ngicabanga ukuthi ifamily kukhula kwakho ukhule i-setup ye-family yakho benjani. Ngivuka ngathi uthi uhlala embangweni but khabo make wakho kuse-Fairview la uhlala khona.
Yeah. Khabo make Fairview. So ngagogo, my mom's mother. So ngikhule ngihlala naye, no. Ngikhule ngihlala nagogo because most of the time my vela semsebentini, you know. So ngumntana gogo shem.
Babe uphi ba?
I don't know my dad.
Okay.
Yeah. I've never met my dad.
No. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngubulisa leyo ukuthi kuyasakha isimo semuntu ukuthi ukhule njani. Abantu abaningi bayangiloko ngikola umuntu indlela abakhuliswe ngayo. Mina growing up to you empilweni ngakho ngikhule mina with my mother. Nababi bahlala kanye kanye. Ngikhula nabo ngibavakashela nje bogogo and so forth.
Okay.
All
right.
Sawubona.
Hi.
Wonke.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Umlando wokunene igama lami ngikhuluma nabani?
Angiva?
Umlando wokunene igama lami ngikhuluma nabani?
Nenekazi Shongwe.
Nolwazi Shongwe.
Nenekazi.
Nenekazi Shongwe.
Yeah.
Shongwe?
Mntomani.
Ay, you are my sister.
That is.
So you want to date your brother?
I didn't say that.
No, I'm not saying you say it, I'm asking.
No. I don't think I'd want to date my brother.
Okay, right now what comes to your mind?
About the
What's your take?
thing.
Yeah, what's your take?
Or the surname thing. The surname.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never done it before, and
But my question is, now you have come across it, then what's your take now, considering the situation you are currently facing? If it was something far, I would have said you would cross that bridge when you get there, but now it's right here in front of the table, so you have to say you take your stand now.
I really don't know what I can say. Like being sarcastic. It has never happened before. But yeah, I don't think the wrong thing for it being effective for you to determine what yeah.
You don't think?
Yeah.
What
do you think about it?
For me, I can't say much.
Why are you here?
Why am I here? Yeah, I'm here because I need someone.
You need someone?
Yeah, someone to date.
Someone to date? So you can't find someone on the streets maybe?
No, I decided that I want to find it this way.
Pardon?
I could find someone around the street, but I decided that I want it this way.
You wanted it soon? Okay. No, I see. I understand. So what do you do for a living?
I do nothing. I'm a thief.
You're a thief.
No, I'm kidding. For now, I'm a security guard.
You're a security guard? Oh,
now,
okay.
Yeah.
Alright. No, that's nice. No, that's nice. Okay. What
kind of a person are you looking for?
What kind of a person am I looking for? I'm just looking for somebody that's like going to be honest with me. I'm looking for someone that's going to respect me. I'm looking for someone that will understand hey, there's a side hustle that I'm doing. I'm a model. So I'm understand no. Let me from the tender because I'm model high mobile.
When you say other things I'm going to do because I'm model, what kind of things are you talking about?
I'm talking about being on the runway because again I'm modeling so to understand us no
so just like the cow, I must tolerate my food being seen by the whole world.
Pardon?
Just like a cow, I must tolerate my food being seen by the whole world. My stuffed chin.
Okay.
No, it's just an ask, not no offense.
We are different. Angisho ukuthi tolerate her if you know. But labanye understand. Understand it's normal. It's not about me, it's about the item or the brand that I'm wearing.
Okay, how old are you?
Pardon?
How old are you?
No, that's too personal. You're gonna know about that later.
Too personal.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm old enough.
Okay, what do you do for a living besides modeling?
I'm a varsity student. Yeah.
Where? UNESCO? Limco.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm a
So
PR student.
basically you're staying around Baban.
Yeah, I live on the one.
Where precise?
Mbangwen.
Mbawan.
Yeah.
Okay, I see there.
Yeah.
Are you with your family?
Pardon?
Are you staying with your family?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
My sports. Okay. What's my first bachelor? Yeah, Magnala Maski is just there like, oh my gosh. No, it was okay. Maranja is I don't know what to say. But your questions were a bit intense, like, let me not judge you. But with my second bachelor, no, I don't know what to say because I don't want to appear as bad person, but yeah, shame. No, they were okay. I think I got to know a little bit about you guys. Yeah, that's what I have to pick now. Will you guys hate me if I don't pick any of you?
No. Totally no.
Alright.
Everyone's got a choice.
I think with both of you, I don't think I don't think it is what I'm looking for. With my second bachelor, he's just not gonna understand my modeling career. Yeah.
Why do you say so?
It's difficult. Start to slate the and getting phone call to my sister airports Dubai, and you're not gonna understand because for me it's work, And then I'll figure a designer. If I have a new collection of swimwear, and my pictures that were posted on social media, and going and still have a relationship.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's my side hustle?
Your side hustle? I didn't get your side. You said you were a security guard. That's
side hustle.
I don't know what your side hustle is. You don't tell me.
That's the job I'm currently doing.
Okay. But you didn't
But
tell me.
you didn't ask. I wouldn't tell you something you never asked. You never need to know.
Have much time. You didn't have much time.
Okay, cool. But it's fine.
For me, I didn't get what I actually wanted from both of you.
From both of us.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just hope you guys get what you're looking for. I hope I get what I'm looking for. So, yeah. Yeah.